Open talk in marriage. In the heart of a bustling city, there lived a couple, Emily and Jack, married for 4 years. Their marriage, filled with love, also harbored silent miscommunications, like a beautiful melody played slightly off key. Emily, a passionate chef, often found solace in the flavors and aromas of her kitchen. Jack, a software engineer, lived in a world of logic and code. They loved each other deeply, but their conversations often felt like two different languages. One rainy evening, as they sat in their cozy living room, Emily shared her frustration about a failed recipe. Her words were tinged with disappointment. Jack, trying to help, immediately offered practical solutions. Emily sighed. Jack, I just need you to listen, not fix. Jack paused, realizing his mistake. I'm sorry, Em. Tell me more about how you feel. This small shift opened a new channel between them. Emily felt heard, and Jack learned the importance of empathy over solutions. As days passed, they practiced this art of open talk. Jack would come home and share his work challenges. One day, he hesitantly spoke about a stressful project. Emily, remembering their new approach, resisted the urge to offer quick fixes. Instead, she said, "That sounds really challenging, Jack. How are you dealing with it?" This question opened a door for Jack to express his anxieties and for Emily to understand his world better. Their evenings became filled with more such conversations, each learning to be the listener the other needed. One weekend, while planning a vacation, their preferences clashed. Emily yearned for a beach getaway, while Jack preferred a mountain retreat. The old them might have turned this into a silent disagreement. But this time Jack said, "Let's understand why we each prefer these places." As they discussed, they found a compromise in a coastal town near the mountains, catering to both their desires. During a quiet dinner, Emily brought up her dream of starting a food blog. Instead of jumping into the logistics, Jack asked, "What does starting this blog mean to you?" This question led to a deep conversation about Emily's aspirations and fears, making Jack appreciate her passion even more. Their journey of open talk was not without its bumps. There were days of fallbacks into old patterns. But each time, they reminded each other of their commitment to communicate openly. They learned the difference between hearing and listening, between talking and communicating. Over time, their friends and family started noticing the change. "You both seem so in tune with each other," they would say. Emily would smile. "It's all about open talk. It has taught us to truly understand and support each other." In their cozy home, amidst the city's hustle, Emily and Jack continued to nurture their relationship with open and honest conversations. Their love, now harmonized with effective communication, grew stronger, teaching them that in marriage, the most profound connections are forged not just through love, but through the willingness to understand and be understood.